Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log out from your Smule account. Now if you want to log out from your Smule account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on the device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So if you are an Android user, then you just need to install it from Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, you just need to install it from App Store. So after that, you just need to open the Smule app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Smule, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar like feed, explore, songs book, activity, profile, and all of it. Now to log out from your Smule account, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and this will take you to the page where you will see the option like profile stats, edit profile, and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right, and here you will see the option of settings. So on the settings, you just need to scroll down, and there you will see the option of delete account. And the thing is that Smule does not offer a built-in logout feature within the app. So to log out from your Smule account, you just need to delete the app or delete your account. So you may simply delete your account, or you may simply go back to your home page, and you may simply long press the app, and you may click on the option of minus, and from here you just need to click on the option of delete app. So after doing all of it, you will be able to log out from your Smule account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.